What if I told you that there's an investment that pays you cash flow and it gives you a massive tax write-off that can offset your W-2 or 1099 income this year? And no, it's not some sketchy loophole. It's completely legal, and it's one of the most underused, unknown strategies for high-income earners like dentists. And this isn't something new. It's literally been around for over 100 years. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of oil and gas investing. For those of you I haven't met yet, I'm Dr. Johnny Walker, aka Jonathan Withanacci. I'm an endodontist, a fund manager, and the founder of Walk of Wealth. Over the past 2 years, oil and gas investing has become one of my most powerful tools in my financial freedom toolkit. And today, I'm going to break down how it works, why the tax benefits are unmatched, and how dentists like you are using it to offset massive amounts of taxable income legally. Let's face it, as a high-earning dentist, you're being taxed from every direction. W-2 income, 1099 consulting or moonlighting, capital gains, insurance tax, unemployment tax. Your CPA might suggest the usual: max out your 401k, fund a backdoor Roth, buy more equipment and get bonus depreciation. But none of these come close to what oil and gas depreciation can do. In oil and gas, there's something called intangible drilling costs, or IDCs. These are expenses related to getting an oil well into production. Think labor, chemicals, engineer. Now, the IRS allows you to deduct 100% of these IDCs in year one, the year of investment. That means if you invest $100,000, you might get a $75,000 to $85,000 tax deduction that same year, even as a W-2 employee. It's one of the only investments where ordinary income can be offset like this. Now, in 2024, we did an oil and gas deal in the Niobrara Formation in Colorado. We invested in a 10% interest in 4 oil wells. Now, an investor that invested $100,000 received 88% write-off in 2024, in year one. Monthly cash flow began in month 4. The investor got both a tax break and a monthly income. One of our mastermind members used this deal to offset his W-2 income and reduce his tax bill by over $30,000. That's $30,000 less money that went down the black hole to the IRS. Another used it to cover capital gains from the sale of their practice. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not hypotheticals. This is exactly what's happening right now. Now, you all might be rushing to try and say, hey, I want to go start investing in oil and gas. But not all oil and gas deals are created equal. Here's what you need to look out for. Not all oil and gas deals are the same. You have to know what you're investing in. Working interest versus a royalty interest. Only the working interest investments get the tax deductions for investors. Number 2, you need to know who the quality of the oil well operator is. Make sure they are a reputable company with a long history of proven track record and experience in that geographic location. Just like in passive real estate deals, the quality of the operator is the most important aspect. Number 3, the structure. Ensure it's designed to pass the losses directly to you as an investor. Now, we at Walk of Wealth Capital, our investing arm, we partner only with the best-in-class operators with a minimum track operating history of at least 1,000 wells in a certain geographic region. We partner only with the top quality operators in oil wells in highly targeted and proven locations. Now, you might ask, why would the government allow this? Simple. The US needs domestic energy production, and they can't do it themselves. So they entice the private sector via tax incentives to attract capital, people, and resources into oil and gas exploration. You're not exploiting a loophole. You're being rewarded for investing in a sector the government wants to grow. When I heard about this strategy, I couldn't believe my CPA never mentioned it. But to be fair to most CPAs, they don't specialize in investor strategy. They focus on compliance. Many CPAs are not even familiar with it and will tell you that it can't even be done. It's not that it can't be done, they just might not be in the know. And that's why education matters. It's why I created this series. And it's why so many dentists are now joining our Walk of Wealth Mastermind group to learn strategies like this and execute with confidence. Now, if you are a high-earning dentist and you're tired of paying 6 figures in taxes and you want your investments to work harder than you do, oil and gas investing is worth a serious look. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. And if you're ready for deal access, tax strategy, and an elite community of like-minded professionals, click the link below and join the Walk of Wealth Mastermind today.